Wingham Fire. Please respond for a fire alarm at 239 William Street, the North Huron Children's Center. It's a general fire alarm with key holder pending. Again, that's 239 William Street at the North Huron Children's Center for a fire alarm. Time is 8:53:10. Attention North Huron Wingham Fire, please respond for a general fire alarm at the North Huron Children's Center, 239 William Street. It's a general fire alarm with key holder pending. Again, that's the North Huron Children's Center, 239 William Street, crossroads of John Street West and Patrick Street West. Time is 8:53:45. Attention North Huron Blyth Fire, this is an information page and an information page only. Wingham is responding for a general fire alarm at the North Huron Children's Center on William Street. Again, this is an information page only for Blyth Fire. Time is 8:53:57.
Fire dispatch, car 3.
Go ahead, car 3.
Car 3 acknowledges the page out for Wingham Station.
Roger. You're acknowledging page. Time is 8:54:45. And be advised, we did get a second call. It's a false alarm due to a toaster, but there was no request for cancellation and all parties evacuated.
Confirm that, dispatch. I'm going to have engine 1 respond. I repeat, all the engine 1 respond and the captain on call to investigate.
That's Roger. You've got engine 1 responding and captain on call as well to investigate. Time is 8:55:16.
Fire dispatch, North Huron engine 1.
Go ahead, engine 1.
You can show engine 1 responding to North Huron Children's Center. Bravo +5 Beltage, responding code 1.
Roger, engine 1, you're responding. Bravo +5 Beltage, code 1. Time is 8:57:53.
Bravo, car 3.
Go ahead, car 3 is a Bravo.
Bravo, if you can just give me an update. They said there was a cancellation call come through. Just give me an update when you get on scene. We'll hold all other trucks.
Yeah, roger that. Fire dispatch, North Huron engine 1.
Go ahead, engine 1.
You can show engine 1 on scene. You can show occupants out of buildings. Bravo will be command and mobile and investigating.
That's Roger. Engine 1, you're on scene. All occupants are out of the building, and Bravo is in command and mobile. Time is 9:15.
Fire dispatch, North Huron command.
Go ahead, command.
Talking to on-site staff, we do believe it's a cooking issue. Do have a crew entering the building to do investigations.
That's Roger. You're speaking with on-site staff. Confirmed a cooking issue. You have crew entering the building to investigate. Time is 9:02:16.
Engine 1 command.
Go ahead, engine 1.
Roger that. Fire dispatch, North Huron Command.
Go ahead. Go ahead, sir.
And you can show we had completed our investigation. Alarms were set off due to cooking.
That's Roger. You've completed your investigation. Alarms were set off due to cooking. Time is 9, 10, 12.
Fire dispatch, North Huron Command.
Go ahead.
You can show scenes being left with on-site supervisor. Command is terminated. Engine 1 returned to Wingham Station.
That's Roger. The scene's being left with the supervisor. Command's been terminated. Engine 1, you're clear and returning. Time is 9:13:45.
Fire dispatch, North Huron Engine 1.
Go ahead.
You can show us back at hall, back in service. Could you download this call, please?
That's Roger. You're back in hall, back in service, and I'll close that off.